Students, today we will learn about how we can make a bill or a rate chart. So let's start how to make a bill. When we are making a bill of our purchasing, we have to find out the items we are purchasing. Carrot, potato, tomato, what is the cost of potato, what is the cost of tomato. Then only we are having the bill with us. We can easily make out the bill after our purchasing. And we have to follow that we have to take the bill for each and every purchasing. So the bill on the screen, you can see the shopkeeper who is sending me the bill. The name of the shopkeeper is Mohan's Vegetables, New Street, Hoshiarpur. This indicates that this bill belongs to Mohan Vegetables shop, which is in New Street, Hoshiarpur. The second thing is the bill number and the date on which date the purchasing has been done. The date is 16th of January 2013. Third thing is the serial number. Serial number indicates how many items have been purchased. Then the description. Descriptions are the things which has been purchased by the कस्टमर कौन सी चीज़ें उसने परचेज की है. द थर्ड थिंग इज क्वांटिटी. हाउ मेनी potatoes has been purchased by the customer. How many tomatoes has been purchased by the customer. How many onions have been purchased by the customer. So in the same way, we all are having the equal quantity. Potatoes 1 kg, tomatoes 2 kg and onions 500 gram. Now according to this, we are always having the quantity or the amount of 1 kg. Now how we have to calculate the amount equals to the items we have purchased. The rate which is given is according to 1 kg. You have to calculate the amount, the things which you have purchased. So here you can see the tomatoes is rupees 10 per kg, the potatoes are 20 rupees per kg, the onions are 16 rupees per kg. It is not important that we have to purchase only 1 kg. Sometimes we have purchased less than 1 kg, sometimes we have purchased more than 1 kg. So this is the individual items, those the customer have purchased. 1 kg potatoes, it is already given that it is of 20 rupees. 1 kg value is already given now. 2 kg tomatoes, how we will calculate? Yes, we have to multiply it, because when we know the individual amount, we know the 1 kg amount, so we will multiply it by knowing it to know the 2 kg value. So 10 is 1 kg value, we will multiply by 2, we got the value 20 rupees. Same is happening with the onions. Onion, we know the value of 1 kg. We have to know about the value of 500 gram, that means half of the kg. So 1 kg is rupees 16, so we will divide it by 2, we got it number 8. So now we all are having the actual amounts of our purchasing. 1 kg potato 20 rupees, 2 kg tomatoes 20 rupees, half kg of onion is equals to 8 rupees. To find out the money paid by the customer, what he have to do? He have to add on all of the things together. Potatoes 20, tomatoes 20, onions 8 rupees. So when he has done the totaling of it, there is no paise, there is only rupees, that is 48, which includes the potatoes 20 rupees, then tomatoes 20 rupees and onions 8 rupees. So this is all we are having for a bill. So it is very much important to take the bill after each and every purchasing. In this, we are having the total amount which we have to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay, so always try to remember that we have to take the bill, whatever the things we are purchasing from the shopkeeper. Okay, which indicates that and you have to look upon it after each and every purchasing, whether he has given the more amount or the less amount. Sometimes the shopkeeper does the things. He can charge you more amount of your purchasing. So here in our bill we are having 48 rupees.